Is there really such a thing as heaven on earth? I guess we'll never know, but I have to say that Kuang Si Falls comes pretty close to it. This mystical place truly is the hidden gem of Asia, where you can swim in crystal clear blue water, experience a landscape that feels like it came straight out of a magical fairy tale, and even find unknown cafes with some of the most magnificent views you'll ever have seen. Join me on this incredible day adventure out of Luang Prabang. Most of the tours arrive at around 11 AM, but in order to be there when there's not too many people around, it's best to hire a moped or take a private tuk-tuk to get there at around 8:30 AM in the morning. Once you've taken the electric car up, it's only around a 10-minute walk up to the falls. The falls are so incredible that they don't even look real. The early morning wake up and the cold temperatures were well worth arriving there when almost no one else was around. You can actually walk up to the top of the falls, which only takes around 10 minutes. There's a series of pools you're able to swim in at the top. The light was absolutely magnificent and everything just felt straight out of a fairy tale.
So as you might be able to tell from the background noise, we're now at the top of the falls. There's not too much of a view here or too much to see, but the light is stunning right now, so it is absolutely gorgeous. So worthwhile coming earlier in the morning as well.
Even though you can swim at the top, I decided I wanted to head back down to one of the lower pools. Even at around 9:30 there were definitely more people, so the earlier you get there the better. Please don't be fooled, the water is absolutely freezing cold, but it was crystal clear and absolutely incredible to swim in. I for one had a lot of fun. The day slipped away pretty quickly, and before I knew it, it was time to grab some lunch. We drove about halfway back from the falls towards Luang Prabang and found an incredible cafe called Nakhoun Cafe. It overlooked this beautiful rice terrace and it had one of the best views and seating areas I have ever seen, and all I could think about was how crowded it would be if this was Bali. However, there was no one else there. We were the only customers and the food was delicious. So we've just finished visiting the falls and we drove about halfway back to Luang Prabang before stopping at a cafe called Nakhoun Cafe or something similar with this stunning view. We have the place all to ourselves right now. We even have friends, cats, dogs. It's wonderful. It's absolutely beautiful. But just gonna have a snack and then head back into Luang Prabang. Good day. Falls were great. Good day. So I've got pad thai because basic, and this looks delicious. Let's try this. That is really good. I'm good in Thailand. It was very, very impressive. Good food. This was an absolutely beautiful day, and I loved all of my time in Luang Prabang. So I hope you'll subscribe to see the rest of my adventures in Laos. Doodles!